Hi guys, welcome to a webbing journey. And we're just gonna be a little spider. And yes, I've played this. And yes, don't ask me. I've played these games before. Make sure you subscribe so we can start off. So guys, also, rate my spider. You guys think my spider's cute? Rate my spider. Now we're just gonna build a base. Yes, a base on the ceiling fan. Oh yeah, we did it. So we're just gonna kind of build kind of like a thingy, we're gonna build a house on the fan. It's probably gonna be crazy. I built another house with cookies, cookies, on the fan, the ceiling fan has cookies on top of it. So that's what we're gonna do. Make sure you like and subscribe so I can do it. So first, I'm just gonna do the floor, and I'm just gonna do it real quick off camera. Alrighty, so we finished the base plate. This actually looks so good already. I wanna go see it from down the kitchen. I know my strategy to get down. One, and then boom. I might be the best person to actually Oh, he did it, yeah. So this is what it looks like. Anyways, let's go to the fan turning on station. Let's go to the fan turning on station. What? I don't know, what could that possibly do? My fan! It spins! I want to try the parkour chorus. Obby parkour. Oh. Yeah, I can do that. Let's kind of try my parkour chorus. Hold on. Why is it wrong? Anyways, so let's just do that, which is actually part of my course. But I failed. I failed my own course. But what? And then we just wee. That is actually so cool. Anyway, we gotta stop it. I need to pay the electricity bill. Starting now. Boom. Not my electricity. I am the electricity bill. So you just kind of want to swing up there and really. Wait a minute. It's gonna be out of cover. Nah. Please wait. basically, this is all I could do. This is literally what I did all the time. Only one corner. Really? Really? Alright. Didn't click anything. This is what I'm really doing right now. Hey! My spider senses! My spider senses! Anyways. Dum 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 dum. Hey, what? What? Alright, I forgot to turn it back on, so this is what I did. Oh, anyways. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. I don't know what I even am doing. I'm just gonna do 10 trillion years. I won't give up. I won't give up, trust. I'm never gonna give up. Alright, so I basically finished my house. So this is kind of what it looks like. And so na 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 Hey. Don't blame me, I'm being very ugly. Hey. I know how to get out of the kitchen. And I will tell you guys. Make sure don't tell Fire Totem Games. I'm gonna tell you on next video, probably. If Fire Totem Games doesn't doesn't find this, then I'm gonna tell you how to find the banana launcher in this game. Fire Totem Games, please don't check this out. Anyway, Fire Totem Games, don't watch this if you want people to actually know about it. Mommy! Please. If you check this out, I will turn into a demon. I'm joking. I won't turn into a demon. What? 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 What just happened? What? This is fire, trust me. This thing is fire. I can't emote, sadly. Wait, what? Evo in my house. I'm also gonna bring a banana pet to my house. Yeah. Bro. Chill out.
I'll eat you.
Noise. Gonna. Just emoted. Vodka! Anyways, I'm gonna bring a banana. I'm gonna bring a banana with me. Say hi to bananas. Banana, no. It's alright. What happened over there? I did some damage to the kitchen. I once saw someone to connect every single item on the ceiling fan. Like, who would do that? Gabba. Yes, the banana. It's banana. My banana. You're mine, banana. Eat mine. No one shall take the banana. Whoever touches the holy banana. I'm joking. Whoever touches the special banana, you will disappear. Yeah. You banana has a curse. Whoever touches it will disappear. You don't want to disappear, or you will face the consequences. Get up there. Can we cut the banana with this? What? Oh, it's on. This banana surely can handle it. Hopefully it could. It's still on! Wait, where is the banana? Oh, come on, it fell? No, it's fell. Where's the banana? My banana! My little banana! Ah, my banana! My banana! You're mine! You're mine! You're mine! I'm so in love with the banana. I might as well even have a crush on the banana. I'm joking. Or do I have a crush? Ah, what? What? How did you just get there? What is banana doing? No, this banana. Banana. I can't even. Bro, this banana. Why did I even bring the banana? Can't replace anything on the banana. It's full! Honestly, I hate the banana. I don't have a crush on it. Anyways. Bro, I finally got the banana on. I hope you'll enjoy the ride. I hope the banana enjoys this ride. The banana likes it, right? Banana likes it, right? I'm gonna go have some fun with the banana. Hey, mommy! Mommy, I am chasing a dog. Hi, banana! Right. What? I literally had to get... No. I will summon the demon that destroys everything. I summoned it. It should be here somewhere. The demon's here. The demon is the spider. The spider is the demon. I summoned the demon. Yep, I summoned the demon. You guys should have subscribed in time. I forgot to mention. So then I summoned the demon. Because I was a little bit mad that you guys didn't subscribe. So now I just summoned the demon. Or just using raging pace. Raging pace. Anyways. Alright. You guys calm me down, so yeah. You guys calmed me down, so now I'm back to normal. Also, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe or else I'll summon the demon again and put it under your bed.